Today, we will learn what is area. Look here. We have drawn a shape on a paper. We see that this shape is covering some area of this paper. The area covered by the shape is called the area of that shape. Or we can say that the extent of the surface covered by the closed shapes is called its area. The question is, how do we find out the total area of this shape? Can you guess? Think for a while. Let me tell you. For this, we compare the area of the shape with a square whose side is as much as a unit distance, such as a square with side 1 millimeter, square with side 1 centimeter, a square with side 1 meter, etc. We take the area of such a square as 1 square unit. 1 square unit, which is abbreviated as this. For example, the area of a square with side 1 millimeter is 1 square millimeter. We represent it briefly as 1 square or 1 square. Similarly, the area of a square with side 1 centimeter can be written as 1 square centimeter, that is, 1 square centimeter of 1 centimeter square. And the area of a square with side 1 meter can be written as 1 square meter, that is, 1 square meter or 1 meter square. Let us compare this size here with a square having an area of 1 square centimeter and find how many times this size is larger than a square with area 1 square centimeter. For this, we will use a graph paper. Here, squares with sides 1 centimeter are formed on this square paper. We will take a tracing paper and draw the outer boundary of the closed figure shown on it. We will place the tracing paper on the square paper. Now, we will find out how many squares with side 1 centimeter are covering the area of this shape. Here, we see that a total of 6 squares are covering the entire area of this figure. Therefore, we can say that the area of this shape is 6 times larger than the area of the square of side 1 centimeter. Since the area of a square with side 1 centimeter is 1 square centimeter, we can say that the area of this size is 6 into area of the square with side 1 centimeter, that is 6 into 1 square centimeter, that is 6 square centimeters. So what will be the area of the figure given below? Think for a while. You've got it right. The area of the figure here is covered by 12 squares with side 1 centimeter. So the area of this shape will be 12 square centimeters. Today, we learned what is area. In the next video, we will learn how to identify area.